Hi friends, I am Sanjay. Every year we are celebrating July 26 as Kargil Vijay Divas. In this video, we can see about that. Before watching the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell icon to get notifications. Don't forget to leave your comments. Kargil Vijay Divas. Good day to all. Kudos to the nation during the Kargil war against Pakistan in 1999. 26 July is celebrated as the Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the lives of the brave soldiers who laid their lives on the front lines to secure a great victory against the aggressive enemies. Before that, let us see what is a war. A war is a situation or a period of fighting between countries or groups of people. A war generally involves the use of weapons, a military organization, and soldiers. War is a situation in which a nation enforces its rights by using force. Kargil War. The Kargil War, also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian operation to clear the Kargil sector. In Hindi, Vijay literally means victory. Line of control. A line of control is a military control line between the Indian and Pakistani control parts of the former princely state of Jammu and Kashmir. A line which does not constitute a legally recognized international boundary but serves as the de facto border. Causes of Kargil War. The cause of the war was the infiltration of Pakistani soldiers disguised as Kashmiri militants into positions on the Indian side of the LOC. The Indian Army, later supported by the Indian Air Force, recaptured a majority of the positions on the Indian side of the LOC, infiltrated by the Pakistani troops and militants. Location. The town of Kargil is located 205 km, that is 127 miles from Srinagar, and 173 km, 107 miles from the Pakistani controlled town of Skardu. War progress. First, Pakistan infiltrated forces into the Indian controlled section of Kashmir. The next stage consisted of India discovering the infiltration and mobilizing forces to respond to it. The final stage involved major battles by Indian and Pakistani forces. On May 3, 1999, some shepherds reported about the Pakistani intrusion in Kargil. From that day, the war started and lasted till July. On July 14, 1999, Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee declares Operation Vijay a success. 26 July, Kargil conflict officially comes to an end. Indian Army announces complete eviction of Pakistani intruders. Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas, named after the successful Operation Vijay, is celebrated in India on 26 July. The Kargil War was fought for more than 60 days, ended on 26 July and resulted in loss of life on both sides. The war ended with India regaining control of all the previously held territory, hence re-establishing the status. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of the Kargil War heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil Ras sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. Functions are also organized all over the country to commemorate the contributions of the armed forces. 527 soldiers from Indian Armed Forces lost their lives during the war. Kargil War Memorial. The Kargil War Memorial is a war memorial built by the Indian Army in the town of Dras, commemorating the 1999 Kargil War between India and Pakistan. The memorial is located on the Srinagar-Leh National Highway about 5 km from the city centre across the Tiger Hill. The year 2019 marks 20th anniversary of victory in Operation Vijay, popularly known as the Kargil War, and is being celebrated with the theme Remember, Rejoice and Renew. Indian Army is like a mother, does work selflessly and never asks for anything in return. We should respect soldiers. Thanks for watching and carry on clapping. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon. Thank you. See you soon.